Hello, I am back again, and today I'm going to do a quick video all about a beauty product that I love. It's a hero beauty product. It's one you've probably heard of many times before. I'm going to tell you all about why I think it's so good and also give you 15 uses for it. I'm talking about Egyptian magic. So I love this product. I first saw it in a magazine. I was instantly drawn to the packaging. I love the design of it. I don't know if that's a weird thing to say, but I love the design of the packaging. I think it's beautiful. And that instantly drew me in. And then when I saw it in Liberty a few weeks later, I was like, oh, there's that stuff that I'm really interested in. And then I finally tried it and I was like, worth the hype. The packaging no longer interests me. It's the product which I absolutely adore. And the packaging is just a happy little bonus. So I have used this many times. I have had quite a few pots of this. This is a brand new pot. So if you look at it and think, oh, she's barely used this, what does she really know about it? Believe me, this is not my first time at the rodeo. I just got a new pot and that's what inspired me to make this video. So one of the huge reasons I love Egyptian magic is because not only do I love it, but my dad loves it too. That was my phone. So my dad loves it because he has some eczema and it gets very sore. It gets very, I don't want to like talk about my dad's skin too much, but like, it gets very sore. He finds it very uncomfortable and he's not a lotions and potions kind of man, but he does find this really good. Other things have helped him in the past, but then the effects have kind of worn off and the eczema has come back. But the only thing that really does keep it at bay is this Egyptian magic. So that is a major factor of why I love it so much. But I also use it for a variety of other reasons, which we're gonna chat through. So 15 uses for Egyptian magic. Let's get going. First of all, you can use it as a face moisturizer. Egyptian magic has quite a balmy style texture, and then you rub it in and it becomes more of an oil, which is really lovely, and it's very malleable. So if you want to use a little bit, you can kind of just warm it up in your fingers and then apply it, or you can just go straight in with the balm and rub it in. Personally, I use a slightly thicker layer and I use it at night just so I wake up and I feel hydrated, happy and calmed and nourished. Next, you can use it to heal and soothe burns. So if you get a, I don't know, maybe a cooking burn and it's red and sore and you just want it to heal as quick as possible, Egyptian magic really does do the trick. Next, and very similarly, you can use it for treating scrapes. I've recently been blackberry picking quite a lot, and I've got quite a lot of stings and cuts from all the thorns, and I've been using Egyptian magic just to take the sting out of my skin and also to help heal the scrapes that I've picked up along the way. Next, and very importantly, you can use it to help ease and heal eczema and psoriasis. Like I said, this has been a miracle worker for my dad, and apparently it's amazing for psoriasis too. Next, you can use it as a hair tamer, just a little bit between your hands. You can use it on the ends, you can use it on the frizz, you can use it on the flyaway, just to tame your hair, keep down those pesky bits of flyaway. Apparently it's amazing on an afro as well. Next, a lip balm. It's a great lip balm. It's also great as a nail cuticle moisturizer. Just a little bit again on the nails, on the cuticles, really helps keep your nails and your cuticles super hydrated. Also on your elbows and on your heels. I get super dry feet. This really helps, especially on my heels. Really helps with my cracked heels and they get so sore, and it just helps them heal quicker and helps keep them moisturized and keeps my cracks at bay. If you've had a baby and you have stretch marks and sore nipples, Egyptian magic. If you've had a tattoo, again, you can keep your skin moisturized, you can help the healing process, and it's just great for tattoo aftercare. If you're a man, you're shaving, you need some aftershave, again, Egyptian magic. I used this morning as an eye cream. I swear it works. And also you can use it as a little bit of a highlighter, just a tiny little bit between your fingers to warm it up, dab it around your eyes very gently. You don't need much. It is very potent, but it is a really nice eye cream, and also how cheap compared to a regular eye cream as well. So good, so effective, so affordable, and it really does feel lovely as an eye cream. You can use it as a face mask. Again, a bit of a thicker layer all over your skin. Either take it off after about 10 minutes or leave it on all night as a bit of a sleeping mask. If you have a baby who has nappy rash, it's suitable for the babies. Also, you can use it as a makeup remover. Think of it as a cleansing balm. Rub it all into your face, get off all your makeup, really give your skin a good facial massage, and you will get all your makeup off, feel clean, feel smooth, feel hydrated, especially great if you have dry skin because it will get your makeup off without stripping your skin. And there we have it. That is my 15 ways to use Egyptian Magic. It's such a good product. I love, love, love it. It's such a hero product of mine. I think it's incredible, especially if you have eczema, and even if you don't, it's just a great product to have in your kit. Makeup artists love it, dermatologists love it, I love it, my dad loves it. It's got a really lovely balm to oil finish, and you can honestly use it everywhere and anywhere. It's not vegan suitable because it does contain olive oil, beeswax, honey, bee pollen, and royal jelly. They are the main ingredients. But aside from that, it's wonderful, suitable for everybody, suitable for the young and old, and skin conditions and dry skin, and pretty much everyone, everywhere. And it's so good. And I wanted to share it with you because these hero beauty products, when you find a winner, you found a product that you love for life. I think this is my 4th tub now, and I just really wanted to share it with you because I truly think it's a wonderful, wonderful product that everybody needs in their kit. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully I will see you again soon. Yeah, Egyptian Magic for the win. See you very soon. Goodbye.